Hello everybody, this is the second lesson on direction, which follows on from the previous one. So I've also attached the compass with the points that we used last time. I've also this time attached a short video, which is basically a song to help people remember those directions. Now, it's a little childish, perhaps it looks a little childish, but you might want to watch that just to help remember those. If you don't like it, fine, but it's there if you want it. And I'm sure it's better than listening to me singing, which, if anyone has had the pleasure, is not the best. So here's the work for today. The first 8 questions all relate to this map of Japan here, which, by the way, is a country I really want to go to. So this worksheet's making me want to travel during the lockdown. And basically, we have to follow the instructions and write down which city we get to. So all of your answers will be the name of a city for the first 8 questions. So south from Attica. So to do that, you'll have to know which way south is using either the picture of the compass, your memory, or with some help from the video. So Akita is here, south from there. Okay, which way is south? Which way is south? It's going to be this way. And the answer is Tokyo. Okay, so this is very similar to the activity we did last time. Southwest from Osaka. And by the way, if I'm pronouncing any of the Japanese cities badly, please forgive me. Southwest from Osaka. South is that way. West is that way. So southwest is this way. Yeah. So the answer to number 2 will be Nagasaki. If I wanted to go northeast from Osaka, well, I'm just checking it's not one of the questions. Northeast from Osaka. East is that way, north is that way, so northeast will be Tokyo. Okay, so that's what you need to do for the first 8 questions. Now for the next ones, you've got to say not the name of the city, but a direction. Now, remember that these places here are not in Japan, so they are not connected to this map in the middle. You just have to visualize them in your head. So it says Bristol is northeast of Exeter. What direction is Exeter from Bristol? So Bristol is northeast of Exeter. What direction is Exeter from Bristol? So let's imagine that Bristol is here. It's northeast of Exeter, so Exeter's going to be there. What's the opposite of northeast? So if northeast is kind of going to, imagine if this page now is a map of the UK. If northeast is there, what's the opposite direction? What's this one? Southwest. Yeah, so the number 9 is southwest. And again, you have to do that with all of these. You have to, if you want to, you can draw yourself a tiny map on paper of the UK, or just a big square, and you can make a note for where the places are if it helps you. So Manchester is west of Sheffield. So you could kind of put, okay, Manchester there. It's west of Sheffield, so that means Sheffield's east of Manchester. So you could write Manchester there, you can write Sheffield there. What else does it say? Birmingham is south of Sheffield. Okay, so Birmingham needs to be just below Sheffield and Manchester. And then you've got to say, what is the direction of Manchester from Birmingham? From Birmingham. So Birmingham was here. Now Manchester was something like there. So which direction would you need to go to get to Manchester from Birmingham? And the same with the bottom one.